Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some economic sustainability trivia. What is the concept of meeting present needs without compromising future generations? Is it A, environmental degradation, B, short-term planning, C, sustainable development, or D, resource depletion? The correct answer is C, sustainable development. Which report in 1987 popularized the idea of sustainable development? Is it A, Brundtland Report, B, Millennium Report, C, Green Future Agenda, or D, Rio Declaration? The correct answer is A, Brundtland Report. What term describes a market economy balanced with environmental protection? Is it A, green economy, B, free market, C, fossil industry, or D, blue economy? The correct answer is A, green economy. What is the term for farming that preserves soil and water? Is it A, conventional farming, B, sustainable agriculture, C, monoculture farming, or D, industrial agriculture? The correct answer is B, sustainable agriculture. Which country leads in renewable energy investments as of recent years? Is it A, India, B, China, C, Germany, or D, United States? The correct answer is China. What is the benefit of using solar panels in households? Is it A, increased carbon emissions, B, reduced heating costs, C, energy independence, or D, dependence on fossil fuels? The correct answer is C, energy independence. What measure assesses eco-efficiency in production? Is it A, pollution metric, B, sustainability index, C, carbon footprint, or D, life cycle assessment? The correct answer is D, life cycle assessment. What organization promotes global sustainable development since 1972? Is it A, World Health Organization, B, United Nations, C, International Monetary Fund, or D, Greenpeace? The correct answer is B, United Nations. What term describes the degradation of habitats through urban development? Is it A, agricultural expansion, B, urban sprawl, C, habitat restoration, or D, deforestation? The correct answer is B, urban sprawl. Which type of energy is derived from the heat of the Earth? Is it A, solar energy, B, geothermal energy, C, wind energy, or D, nuclear energy? The correct answer is B, geothermal energy. What is the goal of the circular economy model? Is it A, limited resource use, B, profit maximization, C, resource regeneration, or D, waste accumulation? The correct answer is C, resource regeneration. Which food system emphasizes local sourcing and organic practices? Is it A, industrial agriculture, B, fast food, C, conventional farming, or D, farm to table? The correct answer is D, farm to table. What natural resource is predominantly used for electricity generation globally? Is it A, coal, B, solar energy, C, wind power, or D, natural gas? The correct answer is A, coal. What is the term for financial support of sustainable projects? Is it A, conventional loans, B, venture capital, C, tax incentives, or D, green financing? The correct answer is D, green financing. What agricultural practice focuses on preserving biodiversity? Is it A, industrial agriculture, B, monoculture farming, C, chemical farming, or D, agroecology? The correct answer is D, agroecology. Which organization was established to promote sustainable forestry? Is it A, WWF, B, Forest Stewardship Council, C, National Park Service, or D, Rainforest Alliance? The correct answer is B, Forest Stewardship Council. What ecological practice enhances local climate resilience? Is it A, monoculture, B, reforestation, C, fossil fuel extraction, or D, urbanization? The correct answer is B, reforestation. Which type of transportation is emphasized in urban sustainability? Is it A, public transit, B, personal vehicles, C, air travel, or D, bicycles? The correct answer is A, public transit. What global event focuses on sustainable development goals? Is it A, Climate Action Plan, B, Paris Agreement, C, Earth Summit, or D, Kyoto Protocol? The correct answer is C, Earth Summit. Which sector accounts for a significant portion of global emissions? Is it A, agriculture, B, housing, C, manufacturing, or D, transportation? The correct answer is D, transportation. What term describes economic systems aiming for minimal environmental impact? Is it A, green growth, B, sustainable capitalism, C, ecological economics, or D, resource management? The correct answer is C, ecological economics. What renewable energy type derives power from kinetic wind energy? Is it A, wind energy, B, solar power, C, hydropower, or D, geothermal energy? The correct answer is A, wind energy. Which policy promotes sustainability in urban planning? Is it A, single-use zoning, B, urban sprawl, C, smart growth, or D, road expansion? The correct answer is C, smart growth. What is the term for sustainable business practices? Is it A, market segmentation, B, greenwashing, C, profit maximization, or D, corporate social responsibility? The correct answer is D, corporate social responsibility. Which agricultural method emphasizes soil conservation and biodiversity? Is it A, hydroponics, B, permaculture, C, pesticide use, or D, monoculture? The correct answer is B, permaculture. What movement advocates for fair labor practices and environmental responsibility? Is it A, free market, B, capital punishment, C, corporate capitalism, or D, fair trade? The correct answer is D, fair trade. Which financial institutions support sustainability and development funding? Is it A, Goldman Sachs, B, IMF, C, World Bank, or D, Chase Bank? The correct answer is C, World Bank. What is the name for monetary incentives for pollution reduction? Is it A, emission permits, B, carbon credits, C, green taxes, or D, sustainability credits? The correct answer is B, carbon credits. What is the environmental impact of excessive plastic usage? Is it A, increased natural habitats, B, pollution, C, improved biodiversity, or D, reduced carbon emissions? The correct answer is B, pollution. What is an economic system emphasizing renewable resources? Is it A, command economy, B, barter system, C, traditional economy, or D, sustainable economy? The correct answer is D, sustainable economy. Which pledge aims to eliminate global hunger by 2030? Is it A, Green Energy Pact, B, Clean Oceans Initiative, C, Zero Hunger, or D, End World Poverty? The correct answer is C, Zero Hunger. What is the term for maximizing efficiency while minimizing waste? Is it A, sustainability, B, resource depletion, C, ecological footprint, or D, carbon offset? The correct answer is A, sustainability. What process reduces the environmental impact of goods production? Is it A, resource depletion, B, sustainable manufacturing, C, excessive consumption, or D, mass production? The correct answer is B, sustainable manufacturing. Which initiative seeks to promote clean energy access worldwide? Is it A, Global Climate Summit, B, Renewable Energy Act, C, Sustainable Energy for All, or D, Carbon Capture Initiative? The correct answer is C, Sustainable Energy for All. What term refers to various environmental standards and certifications? Is it A, eco-labels, B, quality assurances, C, green certifications, or D, energy policies? The correct answer is A, eco-labels. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.